Welcome to AssemblyTube, the toolkit for UK assembly leaders. This platform provides practical ideas and interactive tools to get your pupils thinking. The ready-made Assembly Finder lets you browse for specific resources and topics across the entire curriculum. From here, browse by common themes like kindness and respect, or jump to free PowerPoints and story scripts to save hours of planning time. In the Values Assembly Resource Hub, content is organized by theme. This makes it easy to find material on relationships or qualities like courage and creativity. I'll head back to the homepage to access the planning tools, which help you stay organized throughout the term. Stay organized with the Assembly Calendar. It's easy to see upcoming themes like perseverance or find community assembly songs right on the schedule. For more ideas, join the community chat to share insights with other teachers. You can also access excellent video starters to grab your students' attention immediately. AssemblyTube makes finding assembly material fast and effective. Start planning your next session today.